Luxury living in Tranquility Villas, 55 plus living in Williamsburg. Modern finishes, low maintenance living west/clubhouse and pool. The moment you step into the Griffin Hall A Model, you will recognize its elegance and functional style. West/every amenity located on the first floor for the ultimate in convenience. The foyer frames the view into the formal dining room and great room. The gourmet kitchen west/upgraded appliances is a chef's delight west/breakfast bar that gives plenty of access to the dining area. Light and airy great room for entertaining. Choose the sunroom and owner's suite extension for even more space. The owner's suite features a gigantic walk-in closet and owner's bath west/dual vanity and seated shower. Upstairs, there are 2 additional bedrooms, each west/walk-in closets, a loft, full bath and plenty of storage space. Features extended patio, under cabinet lights, framed mirrors, tankless water heater and refrigerator.